All right, guys. So BI Waterfall, I guess is a performance film. This bad boy is hella short. It's a minute and 56 seconds. I don't know if this is the. I don't think that's really how long the song is. There's no way. So the waterfall dance practice is 2 minutes and 11. Huh. Huh, huh, huh. Okay, you know what? We'll figure it out. Let's just react to this. It's already up. All right, let's get into it.
내 이름은
Huh.
괴물 내 이름은 죄인 내 이름은 위선자 내 이름은 pain 빌어먹을 죄는 내 이름은 나 아니면 누가 그래 누가 기억해 I got a lot of pain 인생은 새노 끝이 없는 고민 마음속에 공백을 채워가는 요인 부끄러운 과거 전부 씻어내면 씻어질 수 있기를 하늘에 빌어보네 손에 쥐고 있던 모든 걸 내려놓고 나서야 피가 제대로 통해 고백 담아놨던 모든 것을 꺼내 바다를 닮은 눈물색을 입 밖으로 토해 Waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall.
Oh snap! That was kind of cool because it's like waterfall and it's like the hands going down there. It's like the waterfall's dripping. Oh, okay, I see what you're doing.
내 바다를 닮은 눈물색을 입 밖으로 토해 Waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall. 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져 I'm a waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall. 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져
Ah, okay, I see you be out holding crotch.
하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져
Look at that. Handfuls. Show 'em. That was cool. It's like a fighting stance. Let me see that fighting stance again. I'm ready.
고마운 나의 사람들 생의 모든 인연 생의 모든 기억 어쩌면 그건 다 기적 마음을 다 내려놓고 머릿속도 비워 치열했던 시간들과 따가웠던 시선 소리치던 내 목소리 고맹맹이 비어
That was a beat finna happen. Okay. But yeah, saying I'm solo over here. Oh, oh boy, he coming at me hard. Oh, look at him. We finna fight? What are we doing? Oh, okay. Oh. See what he's doing? He's coming at me, pointing and stuff, thinking he hard, and I'm like, okay, I guess we finna have to throw down, bruh. And then the world's gonna have to hate me because you finna look dumb after this fight. And then he was like, nah, we finna have a dance battle, bro. And I was like, oh, that's what we doing? Look at him, coming at me. He's like, oh, right now. Ooh, look at that. He was talking with his chest. You see that? Bow, bow. Bow, bow. Get it. Boom. Okay. No. Oh, this is like the thing before it drops. So he's just giving you a taste of what it's gonna be. Okay. I'm kind of glad because as a casual, I'm coming into it, so it's kind of cool that I seen this first, and he's just like, oh, it's about to drop. You know what I'm saying? So now I can react go find the actual waterfall song or video or whatever, and then react to it. Okay, I see what happened. I see what they was doing. It's kind of cool that I did it this way. I didn't intentionally do it, but that's kind of cool how it ended up being this way. Okay, well, that's it. I guess I'll be reacting to the actual waterfall song. Well, let me go find that bad boy. I thought this was it. Apparently it is not. um, so yeah, man, I'm gonna definitely react to the waterfall video. I'm gonna definitely go ahead and do that. But yeah, man, if you like the reaction, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. And yeah, we'll be reacting to the waterfall video. Don't worry about that. See you guys later. Bye.